Is ClickUp a CRM tool? You've probably heard of both ClickUp and CRM, but have you ever wondered if they can be used interchangeably? Let's dive deep into this question. First off, what exactly is a CRM? A customer relationship management tool is essentially software that helps businesses manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. It's about fostering better customer relationships, improving sales, and boosting customer satisfaction. Think of it as your central hub for all things customer-related. Now, let's talk about ClickUp. On the surface, it appears as a project management tool. It helps teams organize tasks, set deadlines, track progress, and collaborate efficiently. But is there more to it? Can it actually function as a CRM? The answer is a bit complex. ClickUp offers features that overlap with CRM functionalities. It allows you to create customer profiles, manage leads, track deals, and even send emails. However, it lacks some crucial CRM features that are essential for comprehensive customer relationship management. For instance, ClickUp doesn't offer built-in sales analytics and reporting tools that provide deep insights into sales performance. Additionally, its lead scoring capabilities are limited compared to dedicated CRM platforms. So, while ClickUp can handle some aspects of customer management, it falls short of being a full-fledged CRM solution. It's more like a versatile tool that can complement a CRM rather than replace it. Imagine a scenario where you're a small business owner with a limited budget. You might find ClickUp sufficient for managing basic customer interactions and project-related tasks. But as your business grows and your customer base expands, you'll likely need a dedicated CRM to handle the increasing complexity of your customer relationships. On the other hand, if you're already using a robust CRM, ClickUp can be a valuable addition to your tech stack. It can streamline your workflows, improve team collaboration, and provide additional project management capabilities. So, the verdict is, ClickUp is not a CRM tool in the strictest sense, but it shares some overlapping functionalities. The best approach depends on your specific needs and the size of your business. If you're looking for a comprehensive CRM solution with advanced features like sales automation, marketing automation, and customer support tools, then a dedicated CRM platform is the way to go. However, if you're a small business or individual user who needs basic customer management and project management capabilities, ClickUp might be a suitable option. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your business goals, budget, and the complexity of your customer interactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.